Okay, they're having a $25 digital gift card rebate on the purchase of Pennzoil Platinum Motor Oil. You need to buy 10 quarts, either by quart or two 5-quart jugs. Okay, you go to pennzoil.com, and up on the upper left you'll see oil change coupons and offers. Click on that. Also on the left you'll see do it yourself oil change. You click on that, and then about the middle you see Pennzoil Platinum Rewards promotion, and then you click on that. You scroll down and there's the form that you have to fill out. You fill that out, and it took about a month before I got my rebate. After you get your rebate, you'll be able to spend it at one of these businesses. I chose Walmart, and here's what the card looks like. You can spend it online, or you can print it out and spend it in the store. Have a great weekend, and happy Mother's Day to any mothers out there watching.